Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make golden wedding pens. So let's start the video. Take a gel pen or ballpoint, then take a golden gota and wrap it around the whole pen. I'm using hot glue gun to fix the lace around the ends. Now take a rectangular piece of cardboard and cover it with a piece of paper. To fix the paper on the cardboard, I am applying white glue with brush because white glue is a good adhesive for paper and cardboard material. Choose the measurement of cardboard according to your own liking. Now I am decorating the sides with this copper colored lace. For embellishment on top, use golden flowers or any decorative material of your choice. Glue the flowers onto the paper with hot glue gun and use a small piece of paper for strength. After attaching all the three flowers, cover the back by a large piece of paper to have a fine look. Write the name of the person who is getting married with beautiful handwriting. I use black permanent marker for writing the alphabets and further give it sparkle by adding golden shading. Now fix a rectangle with the pen and decorate the body of the pen with the lace that we previously used to decorate the sides of the triangle. We are done. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you make the pens, then tag us on the Instagram. Be good and explore yourself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos and crafts.